What's up, everybody? It's now 11:30 and I just turned on DoorDash and I got an IHOP order. It's only $6, but I'm very close by, so I'm gonna go grab that. I am working today for, I'm not too sure how long, to be honest. My car is going to the shop tomorrow and we're borrowing my in-laws' car while this is in the shop, so I won't be delivering for a while. I just dropped my wife off at my in-laws to get the car, and I'm going to deliver for a few hours, and then we're gonna meet up, and we're gonna drop off the car, she's gonna pick me up, type of thing. So I'm gonna be out until she says, okay, let's drop off the car. I just got to Chicken Shack. IHOP was a little slow. The food, I had to wait like 15 minutes, but the good news is that the restaurant was very close to the drop-off location, so that's good. And right away I had this order for Chicken Shack, which I was only 5 minutes away from, so that's good too. I'm gonna run inside, grab the food, and hope that I could deliver this quickly. I just got to Subway. It's 12:35, so things are pretty busy with DoorDash. But again, it's been all small orders so far today, which stinks. But I'm just gonna grab them and see what I could do, because this shift ends at 1. So I was like, well, I'll just grab it and see what happens. And then I have a gap from 1 to 4, so I don't know what's gonna happen for those 3 hours. Maybe Postmates, maybe GrubHub, maybe a DoorDash shift will pop up, I don't know. I'm gonna run in, grab the food, and then I'll give you an update. Can't believe it. I just dropped off that food to an apartment, and I have another order, and it's only 12:43. So that last Subway order was super quick and easy. The food was ready when I got there, and it was a close drop-off, so that's awesome. And I'm only 5 minutes away from this next order, which is McDonald's, and it pays a little higher. I have Dash Utility on, and it auto-accepted it, so it's up at least
turn right.
$7, and at least like
in 600 feet. Turn left on West Jan
I
Street.
think $1.
Then turn right.
$1.25 a mile, I think I have it set to right now to auto accept. So
Turn left on West Jan Street. Then turn right on North 4th Avenue.
things are actually a little bit busier than I expected. Hopefully I could get this done quick, and I'll keep you posted with what happens in my gap for 3 hours. I love how easy McDonald's is. I mean, there's a soda in there, they seal the bag, there's like a little cardboard drink carrier that they put in there, and they put the drinks right in there, so that's nice. Don't have to carry anything. If something's wrong, the customer knows, like, hey, he couldn't check it, they put it in a sealed bag. So it's all McDonald's fault, which is nice. I'm gonna go drop this off real quick, and it says 1:02 drop-off time, so it might kick me out of DoorDash. If so, I'll probably turn on Postmates and GrubHub and see what happens. Things slowed down for a while for me. It's 2:15, so I haven't had an order in like an hour.
We're all set. Drive safely.
I had to go to the bathroom, so I took a bathroom break, and then I was reading my book, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna head to another part of town and see if that's busier. And I literally parked like 2 minutes ago, and I already have an offer with GrubHub. I'm going to a Firehouse Subs in Kennewick. It's pretty close by. It says I'm 10 minutes away, so maybe I was just in the wrong area. I don't know. So I'm gonna go make that deliver and see what happens with the rest of the day. Maybe I'll hang out around here and give this area a location. It could be a new hotspot for me. The Firehouse Subs customer ended up giving me a $2 cash tip, so that's super awesome. Shout out to him. While I was doing that, I did get a what's it called? Instacart order. It's actually 2 customers. I'm at Costco right now, so I'm gonna run in, shop for both of these orders. One is 3 items, one is 8 items, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off. Hopefully this takes like 30-45 minutes, but you know, Costco could be super busy. I don't know. It does say get $24 and some change for this, so hopefully it's pretty quick. But I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, it's 3:15 and I just finished shopping both orders, so it took about 25 minutes or so, which wasn't bad considering I got through checkout too that quickly. The first drop off is 8 minutes away, so I'm going to go drop that off, and then I'll go do the second order, and it should be just in time for me to jump back on DoorDash. Alright, it's 4 p.m. and I just finished dropping off both of those Instacart orders. I know I don't do Instacart a lot, so if you don't know what Instacart is, it's basically a grocery shopping app. You go online, you enter your information, and then you could sign up. In the past, I tried scheduling myself, but I found that when I would schedule myself, they would say, oh, there's not enough orders in your area, and drop my shift. So I didn't really use it much, but then they did add on this thing called on-demand shopping. So basically, it just sends you, oh, there's an order for X amount of dollars, and you could accept it or not. It sends out to everybody who has the app, as far as I know. And it's just like kind of first come, first serve, basically. So that's what I did for those 2 Costco orders. It was pretty easy. Like I said, it didn't take too long to shop, even though they were super busy. And luckily, checkout wasn't too bad either. I know I've been in Costco where it took like 20 minutes just to check out, but I only had like a 5-minute wait, so that wasn't bad. My DoorDash shift starts at 4:30, so I did just turn on Postmates. So I'm just seeing if I could get an order. If not, at 4:15 I'm going to turn on DoorDash, and hopefully things will be busy with DoorDash.
Hey there, thank you for choosing my Wendys. How are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing just fine. You can take order whenever you're ready.
Okay. Can I have 3 spicy chicken wraps?
3 spicy chicken wraps?
Yep.
Alright. Anything else?
Yeah, a $5 bacon double stack biggie bag.
$5 bacon double stack biggie bag. What would you like to drink with that?
A Dr. Pepper.
A Dr. Pepper.
And then
for your nuggets?
Barbecue sauce. And can you do spicy nuggets on that?
And spicy nuggets?
Yes, please. And then a kid's 4-piece nugget.
And a kid's 4-piece nugget?
Yep. It's a DoorDash order. It says toddler board book for the kids' choice.
Oh yeah, it comes with choice.
Okay. The drink is a 1% white milk.
Alright, and any sauce for those?
It just says ketchup.
Ketchup?
Yep.
And a white milk. Is there anything else on that order?
No, that's it.
Alright. Looking at $18.74, first one down.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
While I was at Wendys, I ended up getting a stacked order for Chipotle. So I just got there. I'm going to mark that I arrived, and I'm going to run in and grab the food. It's already paid for and ready to go, it says. So that's awesome. Hopefully it's actually ready. I'm going to go grab that and then drop these off. Alright, my wife had me pick up a few things for her for crafting, so I just stopped delivering for like 45 minutes. When I turned it back on, I got a Wendys order. So I just got to Wendys. Let's see what we got.
Thank you for choosing Wendys. We're going to get started for you.
Hi, can I have a small vanilla frosty? And a large chocolate frosty?
Okay.
A 10-piece spicy chicken nugget combo?
What sauce and what to drink?
Diet Coke with, do you have creamy sriracha sauce?
Yeah.
And then can you do that a large?
Okay.
And then I'm going to do a second 10-piece spicy chicken nugget combo large with a Fanta orange soda and sweet and sour sauce.
Okay.
And then 4 junior bacon cheeseburgers.
All right.
And that'll be everything.
3206. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I just got to Burger King. I'm gonna run in, grab the food real fast. Things are still super busy, so that's good. It says there's no need to order, so hopefully the food's ready. Gonna go grab it and then drop it off. So I have Dash Utility going, and the auto accept screwed me. I'm picking up a Walmart to go order. I actually had to wait for parking because there's that many people picking up Walmart to go orders right now. It's 6:38. I have no clue when I'll be done. I need to make sure I change that to not allow auto orders from Walmart because I don't want to deal with this crap ever again. Very frustrating. Yeah, I don't know what else to say.